To increase the magnification of a telescope, we know for a telescope, magnification is given by focal length of objective divided by focal length of eyepiece, FO by FE. And the first option says objective length should be of large focal length, eyepiece should be of short focal length. So that means if FO increases, FE decreases, M increases. Therefore, that should be right. If you observe the second one, the objective and eyepiece both should have a large focal length. No, it's not possible. Both are increasing. You'll get the same value. So you cannot increase the value of M. Both object and eyepiece should have a smaller focal length. If it is smaller value, M also small value. The objective length should be small focal length, eyepiece should be larger. So focal magnification decreases. So since you are asked to find out increase the magnification or to increase the magnification of a telescope, FO should be greater. FO should be greater than FE. Therefore, option A is better.